Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get notifications about our weekly property videos. I'm Christy, the sales manager here at Generation Family Properties.
Welcome to your dream desert escape in Arizona, a breathtaking 40-acre retreat offering endless possibilities for your desert getaway. Make it a weekend place or build your forever home in the heart of Navajo County. There's only a 400 square foot minimum to build, so you can even have a tiny home here. Nestled in the White Mountains, this property offers the perfect blend of privacy and accessibility, just a 40-minute drive from the town of Show Low. Whether you envision building your dream home, establishing a private ranchette, or creating an off-grid sanctuary, this land is a blank canvas just waiting for your vision. With its scattered trees and fantastic views, it's sure to be the place that you come and escape the hustle and bustle of the city. This flat, buildable property has stunning panoramic views, and every acre of this property provides a unique backdrop. Imagine waking up to the fresh mountain air, the sound of nature, and endless blue skies. For outdoor enthusiasts, this location is a paradise. Enjoy nearby fishing and boating at Fool Hollow Lake, explore scenic hiking trails, or experience the vibrant local culture in downtown Show Low. Whether you're looking for an investment, a vacation getaway, or a place to call home, this 40-acre property is a rare opportunity to own a slice of Arizona's natural beauty. Don't miss out on this incredible offering. Contact me today to schedule a tour or to ask any questions and get the full picture file. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get our weekly property videos. See you guys next time. Bye.